Back down here again. Going to try and do this last part. You think if that's the centre, there's probably another couple of 100 yards, I reckon. Right. Yeah, that's alright. You think? Little fishy. Yeah. At least one thing we ain't seen, and that's rats. Yeah. Smell fish. Smell fish.
Smell it.
I don't know.
You getting sick with that now?
No, I just see lots of fish darting around though. Huh? What was that? I don't know what that was in the middle of the water. It's swimming towards us. You see it? There's a pigeon. They're all really weird, they're all just like there. There's water bubbling up here, is it? What was that? Oh, it's just running over the bricks. Oh my god.
That's spiders.
Like, that's spiders? Oh no.
There's loads of them.
Oh, there's thousands of them.
It's not that small, it's widows, isn't it?
Yeah, don't worry about that. Just aim the torch in front, not above. Oh my god, there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. Oh, I hate spiders. Oh, no. I don't know if you can see that, people. Look at that. Oh, there's loads of them. There's a web. Alright. As you're getting down here, there's just one massive spider comes running down, scuttling down the side. It's alright, little birdies, you're alright. Right, this just goes. Turn it off a minute. Right. Yeah. I keep thinking there's daylight down there, but it's just the bird's wings. It's alright. Good.
The water getting colder.
It's a bit colder, but I think it's getting deeper. Right. Yeah, it's definitely getting a bit deeper. Right. Any light there? No. Just imagine being in one of those side tunnels. It's smaller.
A lot smaller.
Bloody hell.
See,
Right. What are they doing?
that's a
Trying-
down there, look.
Oh yeah, well, you see those fish people? They look like perch. You see them?
Yeah.
Look, yeah, they're perch. Whoa. Right. Something down there on the right, see it poking out. Oh, look at them, look. See, there's one right there, your foot there. Look. Is that daylight I was saying? What's that? Well, look at the size of that one. Little fishy. Oh, another manhole. Oh my god, there's spiders down there, man. Don't keep. Come on, Kev. Film you a little bit going down there. There's Kev going into the unknown. I'll turn that off a minute. Oh. 360. That's got written on the wall. God, I don't remember, like I said, the last time I was down here was when I was 14. So I'm now nearly 45. So, that's alright, it's concrete bottom, so it should be okay. If you suddenly get dragged under though, I'm off like the wind. And it's turning down here, a little bit of the tunnel. Yeah, just make sure don't get your pinches. Where are we now then? Bit of a turn in the tunnel there. Yeah, it's getting deeper, people. What?
Right.
Do you hear that?
Banging.
In a minute. Shh, shh. That noise.
Yeah.
Did you just hear that?
Yeah.
That's in front. It's like a. Go on, you alright? Oh, man.
This one's getting deeper and deeper.
Yep. You still alright breathing wise? Yeah. It's good. Well, look at the size of that.
No.
My days, look, you see that, people? What is...
It's the wind now.
It just fricked the life out of me, what that was. Right, I've got stuff bumping into my legs and everything down there.
Yeah.
God.
Sound a bit when you're repaired.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how many years ago now that a lot of this collapsed from the road. It took them ages to repair it. Yeah. It's definitely deeper now. It's coming just above my knees now.
Just come back or?
And I'll go to that corner. As long as you're alright, yeah? Turn on, just turn on. Is there any light up there?
No. No.
What the hell? No, what's
We're
that?
not even halfway.
What is that? Someone got in a bucket. Right, we're more than, we've got to be more than halfway, huh? Everything looks like it's lighting up. Do you know what I mean? 'Cause oh yeah, that's definitely deeper now. It's coming up to my crutch.
I think it's time to go back and then.
Get to that corner, see where that corner goes, yeah? And then we'll leave it at that then. What do you reckon, yeah?
Yeah.
Get to that corner. I think we've done pretty well. Before 1,500. Or was that 500? 500 metres or 500, I don't know.
Get a lot of you. Not coming in now.
Yeah. I reckon we might be at the end. Are we at the end?
We're not. Over there.
There's the end, people. We may as well do it, Kev. We're here, aren't we? May as well go to the end, isn't it?
I know.
Yeah. Look, there's air down there, isn't it? So if you're feeling a bit dodgy now, that's the way to go. There are people. We're coming to the end of the tunnel.
It gets so much deeper.
Yeah, you got waders on. What are you worried about? That's all right. Look. Let's get down there, get some air before we head. What? Get a bit of air, and then we can head back. Because you can't get out this end. Oh, it's touching my testicles. Wow, my legs feel real heavy.
So do mine.
Yeah?
That's why. Yeah, I feel real bad now.
Well look, that's closer than that end if you're feeling bad, Kev. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, well I'm going that way to get some air. There's no point going back half a mile that way if you're feeling a little bit.
Yeah, we can't get out of them.
Yeah, but at least we can get some air. Do you know what I mean? That's what I'm worried about.
Is this tidal?
No. Ah, you're right. It only gets deeper if it rains loads outside. Whoa, look at that one. Look at the size of that, people. Whoa. It's a monster. I think it's just walking through the water that's making them heavy. Oh my days. Oh man. Oh well. What do you reckon then, Kev? What do you reckon?
Well,
Been down there?
yeah, it's
There ain't many other people been down there. Always check behind. Oh god. There's spiders down there, man. Look, just so you can see. It's just like, whoa.
Getting deeper.
Here you're getting deeper. Look, there's some of them, as you can see them. Oh. Turn the torch down a bit, so save a bit of There you go, peeps. Got sweat on now. Oh, I wouldn't like to come down here when it's pitch black, put it that way. There are those side tunnels. So I'm just talking on there. So there are those side tunnels. Because when we get to the end here, there's 3 different tunnels. One to the left of where Kev is, and one to the right. So I'm presuming they may be leading to those smaller side tunnels. I don't know. And there was a side tunnel going right back at the beginning when we first come in. Where they go to? Fuck those. Get some air. That's the main thing. See, from the edge down here, there's a concrete step. But I don't fancy swimming. There is the option of swimming to get out of here. Well, it's going all the way back to where we just came from, people. Look at that, look at that. Oh. Anyway, I'm going to turn this torch off now. There's people down there, I can hear them. So. Right, Kev?
Yeah.
So, someone like Kev, and one like me. And I'm going to call that it. I hope you enjoyed that, people. Kev's just nearly falling down, it gets really deep there. Alright, catch you later, peeps. Nice one.